Well, I have a new kayak. I have some worms, and it's about to rain and then storm after the rain. So I thought I could get out here and I'd be okay. And I checked the weather before I even did this, and I was like, well, we'll see. Maybe it'll change. Not today. It's not going to be the case. So we're back out at a lakey area that I have fished many times. That guy is around my island. It's not my island, but it is September, and a lot of different fish that are not normally running are out and about. I'm not going to go too far from the ramp. We're going to see if we can't get into some striped bass right here. They were behind me. They are right here though. I've seen them jump. That or it's more Tennessee tarpon. Well, there's a rain cloud right there. Oh, here it comes. Yep. I left the rain jacket in the truck. Yep. Well, it stopped raining. I waited out the storm. The skipjack are weird. Like, they kind of swarm the bait. They swipe at it to try to kill it. Right. And then only when they're hungry they bite, which makes total sense. But I'll watch them just swipe it. They'll just swipe it, kill it, not try to bite it.
The only thing I know about the skipjack is, like you said, they swipe, because I've seen a few of them, and that people say it's great for cut bait for cats.
Oh, there's something. No. That September bite right at the kayak.
I had one on the
Not surprised.
Magic spinner that, like,
Our go-to thing, to be honest. Yeah. It's just so much fun. That bite felt like that fish was definitely at least a pound. We'll never know. Do you have one of those BFG bait casters, the small ultralight ones?
yeah, I think one of the Shallow Pool guys,
Yeah.
I think those are mine. One's like quote unquote power bait.
Yep.
Go low enough.
I got one.
The other one, I'm not good with it, but it's about a gram.
Yep. I got one. Oh, and it's striped bass on the rooster tail. What a surprise. Come here. Come here. Well, I thought I knew how to get a fish in the boat. Big, but he's decent. And then they end up hating fishing for the day, and I'm like, well, I hate to tell.
Pond, river is all pretty different.
Yeah. I had another one, I think. No, it's grass. I'd hand you another one of these if I had one. Got one. They're biting now. You definitely should put one on and come over here. Now, I don't do tight drag. I used to. Plus it's an ultralight, so it just makes it that much more fun.
Right.
Now in like the 3 weeks that I've been learning how to catch stripe, no, this one. God, of course I don't have the. I'll say that, yeah. If it's true, it's true. But to me, it's like, okay, well, it smells like plastic, so I don't. So why are they biting plastic if they smell just as good as dogs?
Right.
They're kind of dumb. Oh, small one. Something's maybe not have been small. Yep, they're still over here. Got it. Try to keep them down. That's stripe, I think. Yeah. Yeah, stripe. See how they're just not really jumping until they get right to the top. They just slosh. Woo! It's kind of a. Really should get my pliers out instead of using scissors. Oh, there he goes.
Up, but there's no role play at all. It's just fighting, and they're all they have a weight minimum, so to help keep it quote
Wait,
unquote
I have a
realistic,
fish.
what they claim, but
Yeah, yeah, they're right.
more hurt at that than anything else.
Yeah.
And then there's like an in-between one that's my like typical game. And then there's the what we call lightest touch, which is like not super fighting oriented. There's a lot of spells and junk and yelling and things like that.
Oh, okay.
And
Gosh.
there's levels of it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Depending on like how physical you want to be and stuff.
I got to get in shape, but
I need to do that again.
Totally forgot to make an outro. I had an absolute blast fishing for those striped bass offshore. The rooster tail still works like a charm, catches multiple species. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.